What if the most dangerous predator in prehistoric Australia was a marsupial? Thylacoleo, the marsupial lion, dominated the landscape, boasting massive jaws and powerful limbs designed for gripping prey. Its sharp, retractable claws were fearsome tools of the hunt, allowing it to tackle animals much larger than itself. But as the climate shifted and humans arrived, Thylacoleo faced an unprecedented threat. Overhunting and habitat loss spelled doom for this apex predator, leading to its mysterious extinction. Today, the story of Thylacoleo serves as a stark reminder of how drastically nature can change and the fragility of life in a shifting world.